The parenteral route of administration delivers the drug through injection. It is fast, direct, and powerful. But not all injections are the same. Some go into your muscle, other under the skin, and one straight into the vein. In this video, we'll break down the four main types of injections, how they work, and when to use each one. First, intravenous or IV. Second, intramuscular or IM. Third, subcutaneous or SC. And fourth, intradermal or ID. Let's start with intravenous injections, commonly known as IV. This route delivers the drug directly into the vein, giving us immediate drug action and zero delay. The most commonly used veins for IV access are in the forearm, the cephalic vein, the median cubital vein, and the basilic vein. The entire dose given reaches the circulation instantly and completely, so IV injections offer 100% bioavailability. It's the fastest way to deliver a drug, which is why it's the go to choice in emergencies like cardiac arrest, seizures, or anaphylaxis. Next up, intramuscular injection, also called IM. These are given directly into a muscle, usually the deltoid muscle, the gluteus medius muscle, or vastus lateralis muscle. Muscles have a good blood supply, so IM injections are absorbed relatively quickly, but not as fast as IV. The onset is slower than IV, but the duration of actions tend to be longer than IV. Now let's talk about subcutaneous injection or SC. These are given into the layer of fat just beneath the skin and above the muscle. Common injection sites include the abdomen, the upper arm, or thighs. Because there's less blood flow to the fatty tissues, the drug is absorbed more slowly than IM or IV routes. That means a slower onset of action but a longer duration. Last but not least, intradermal injections or ID. These are given into the dermis layer of the skin, just below the epidermis and above the subcutaneous tissue. The most common site of the injection is the volar surface of the forearm. Because the skin has limited blood supply, ID injections are absorbed very slowly. That gives them the slowest onset of action among all injections type, and they are not meant for systemic effect. Alright, now that you know the difference between going into the vein, muscle, fat, or skin, let's see how much actually clicked. Here's a quick quiz to test your understanding. Question number 1. Which injection route provide the fastest onset of action? A, B, C, or D? Question number 2. Which site is commonly used for subcutaneous injections? A, B, C, or D? If you learned something cool today, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more bite sized medical lessons. Drop your answers and questions in the comments. Until next time, stay curious.